Hi, it's me Nazima Barreto, and today's video gonna be very interesting because I'm gonna take you to my kitchen garden. So we'll be collecting some vegetables. So let's go. Welcome to my kitchen garden. We grow vegetables according to the season. In summer, we grow leafy vegetables, and in monsoon, we grow the ladyfingers. It's now time to collect some ladyfingers, so let's go. Now, let's explore the other part of our kitchen garden. This is the mint plant, which is normally found, but of different variety with broader and thicker leaves. Tiny chilies which are still growing, and tulsi plant. The Malabar spinach, which is basically a creeper, and the tender shoots can be eaten as vegetables. Also, the leaves can be added in the soup. Lemongrass, which definitely have medicinal value. Sweet little corn, which I am eagerly waiting to eat. This is another area where I have grown the Malabar spinach. The manure or the compost which I usually use for my plants are the ash and the fish water remains. The structure made for the creeper to grow. My message for each one of us is that start growing vegetables, whether it may be in your backyard or even a garden. The joy we get while collecting our own vegetables is incredible. We don't need big things to make us happy. The small little things are definitely the jewels of happiness. So, we all were facing problems during the lockdown due to unavailability of vegetables. So it's high time for us to start growing our own vegetables. Thank you.